Hey guys, welcome. You finally made it to the forum, so congratulations on being on the first step to really enjoying the mod and enjoying playing an immersive and very fun game with us. We're glad to have you. So what we're gonna do is just like any other, I guess, kind of forum is you're gonna want to register over here on the top. Registration's pretty easy. If you ever use Reddit or anything like that, you're gonna choose a username, an email, password, and visual verification, which is the CAPTCHA. You're going to do that. You'll all sign in, verify with your email that everything's good, then log into our forums. Now, we have two different logins. We have the forum login, which allows you to post stuff on our forum and contact anyone and private message people, and so that's good. But as soon as you're logged in, we are going to go to a different part, and I'll show you how to register for the launcher. Now we are logged into our account. So now we're going to try and register for the launcher. We're going to go over here to the left side. It's going to give you just your basic information, shit like that. You're going to go to register for the launcher. And then this is going to show you all of your, this is what your launcher is. It's going to be this username, this password. Don't forget any of these. You're going to have to ask a member to remember all that, and they'll have to look it up for you, and it becomes this ordeal. Anyway, you're going to create this stuff, and once you set this up, this is going to set you up in the launcher so you can create a company and play the mod. What this does is basically linking your two accounts together. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Just remember everything you have typed, and everything should go okay. Great. So your mod is installed. You've signed up on the launcher, on the forums for the launcher. So we're going to go ahead and click our shortcut for Europe and Ruins, and that's going to do the auto updater. That's just checking to see if any files have been updated, if there's a new patch out, if there's new maps uploaded, or anything else. This is just checking it. Sometimes it takes a minute, but it says here you're good to go. So here we got everything. We got the launcher. We clicked launch. It checked. We're all up to date. So we are going to go ahead and get our account ready and go ahead and play. So we're going to do that. Oh man, let's see if I can remember this. There we go, got it. Sweet. We just signed in from our account, and these are all the companies I have. And if you watch part 2 and part 3, whatever parts there are, I'll show you how to set those up and get those going. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the mod, and I hope the video was easy for you to follow. Don't forget, if you need any help, to send me a message or any other of the dev team, or follow us on our Discord and post on the forums, and we'll get back to you. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.